Hi everyone, good evening. How are you all? So today we are on day 3 of our compost challenge. So now, since yesterday I told you we made 2 bins, one for the compost and the other one for cooked wet waste. So now, because of that, you can see only half of my compost bin is filled, and I have layered with the same procedure. First layer of dried leaves, then the wet waste, uncooked wet waste, then again a layer of dried leaves, and I've added little accelerator of buttermilk in it. Today, since I had kept it in kitchen, even including today's wet waste, it is still not filled completely. Can you see? It is not yet filled completely, so it will be sufficient even for tomorrow. So today, what are we going to do? Today I'll just add a layer of dry leaves. Now this, I have made this a funnel because you can see the mouth of the bottle is very small. It becomes a little tedious to crush the dried leaves or the wet waste and then put it through such a small mouth. So I've made a funnel out of a plastic bottle. Any plastic bottle you can use, just cut from here and use it as a funnel. Okay. So I'll just put a layer of dried leaves. I crush it and put it. Can you see? It was very easy for me to put it inside. So what is my work for today? Today I have to just put the dried leaves in this and give it a mix. Okay, give it a nice mix. And close this. And this is our day 1's compost. If I touch this, I can feel heat here because the process has already started. So again, I have to check the moisture content. Is it very wet? It doesn't look very wet, but still I'll just top it up with a layer of dried leaves. Now the quantity of dried leaves which you put in this depends on how much moisture is there. If there is very less moisture, put less quantity of dried leaves. If you see it's very watery and releasing lot of water, put more dried leaves and again give it a mix. Mix it nicely so that the heat gets distributed evenly and the process is happening evenly. Okay. So when I opened this, there was a stinky smell. So the beauty of keeping it closed in a plastic bottle is there is no stinky odor. Okay. And I got one suggestion from a friend that I've written here day 1. So I should mention the day on which this compost will be ready. So I've calculated 45 days and the compost will be ready on 3rd June 2020. So I mentioned here the date, 3rd June 2020. This is day 2 plus day 3. So once this is filled, I will mention here the date on which the compost will be ready. Okay. Today I'll be giving you one tip on reducing the wet waste itself. Can you see? These are orange peels. Now look at the quantity. It's humongous, it's big. So to break this and put it in this, it's a bit time consuming. Also, these orange peels are very beneficial and we can make bioenzymes out of it. Now you'll ask, what is bioenzyme? Bioenzyme is a all-purpose cleaner. So you can go totally chemical free in all your cleaning needs. Okay, how to make bioenzyme, I'll put it in a separate post. And we have an expert in our group, Sabari. She makes bioenzymes. She practices that and she uses it also marvelously in her everyday needs. So she is the lady who goes chemical free, and I would appreciate if she can make a separate post and share with us how to make bioenzyme and how she uses it. Okay, so this is it for now. These peels I'll be making bioenzymes with, and I will be sharing the picture of my first batch of bioenzyme, which is going to get ready in May, on 14th of May. So I have started, since it takes 90 days to get ready, I am just few days are remaining for my first batch to get ready. I'll share the pic with you, and meanwhile I'll also ask Sabari to share the procedure and the info and the benefits of making and using bioenzyme. Okay guys, see you, have a great day and a wonderful evening ahead, and good night. So wherever, in whichever part of the globe you are, love you all. Okay, bye, see you.